Line can be used for designating center of the circles, designating center of the sections, Fourth line is hidden line. It is even dash. It is called as hidden line. This kind of line can be used where object is not visible from the appropriate views. Invisible object or hidden objects. Fifth line, this line is called as break line. Break line. The application of break line is when we are having a same section till n length, then we can give the break dimensions like this. Without giving correct length. Break line is used to give dimension of same section. Sixth line is same as the break line, only difference is its appearance. It's called zigzag line. This line also used as a break line only. Application of the same would be same. Give dimension of the same section. Basically, these 6 lines are used in the engineering drawing. We will see an example of use of the dimension lines. I am drawing a reference sketch. I am drawing a outer body of a hollow shaft. As I said you, this shaft is hollow, but from the front view we cannot see its hollowness. So I am designating its hollowness with the hidden line. On both the sides. Now, as it is a circular shaft, we should mention the center line to it. Long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash. So we have used all the lines. Thick line as outer body, zigzag line to show the break of the shaft, hidden line to show the hollowness of the shaft, center line to show the center of the shaft. Now the last line is remaining, thin line. I am giving the dimension to this hollow shaft. We have break the shaft, as we cannot draw the line of 1000 mm in the paper, so we have breaked it into zigzag line, but I have mentioned the dimension of the 1000 mm. Again, with use of thin line, I am giving the dimension. So this is the thin line. We have used all the lines which we can use to draw engineering drawing. Thick line can be used for the outer body. Center line designates the center of any object or a circle. We can use this zigzag line to break the same section into definite volume. hidden line. The hidden lines can be used to show the things which we cannot see from its view. Thin line can be used for the dimensions. So this is the example. This is the example for the types of lines. Now we should say next problem. This problem says that draw a heptagon using special method. Circle diameter is 60 mm. Now heptagon means that a polygon is having side of 7. Now we will see how we can draw this polygon using special method. As we have given that diameter of the circle is 60 mm. So first of all I am drawing the line of 60 mm. I have drawn a line of 60 mm designating as AB. Now take A as center and 30 mm radius and draw a semicircle. Extend this AB line name that point to C. Now as we are going to draw a heptagon, heptagon means that n is equal to 7. So its outer angle would be theta would be 360 divided by 7, which comes around 51.4. Put protector on point A and mark an angle of 51.4. Name this point as O and this point is O dash. Take bisector of OA and O dash A. I hope you know that how to draw a bisector. If you don't know how to draw a bisector, I will give you details on it. If you are having a line of AB and you want bisector, This is method to bisect a line. Take A as center, AB as radius, mark arc on both the side. Take B as center, AB as radius, and mark intersecting arc. Join this line. This is called bisector of AB. Same method we are implementing over here. We are going to bisect OA and O dash A. For that, O dash A is center, O dash is center arc, O dash is radius, mark an arc. On another side, we have got the bisector of O dash A. Now we are going to bisect OA line. Mark line on the both the sides. Draw a bisector. Where these both bisectors are intersecting, name is C1. That's center 1. C1 as center,